Another day guys to try again. Today I've not really taken any any trade. I wait for price to get to my zone. I'm at work right now, so I can't really give the specifics of what it is I'm looking for. But when the results come out of if I execute any trade, then I'll explain why I take my trade. I think that'll be best. That's the best way I can do it now. I'll just talk about why I'm or my headspace, right? When I execute trades, but then I'll talk about the trade itself, the explanation of it, why why I'm done with the trade, right? When it goes against me, it doesn't go against me. The GG eventually reverses me, kick me out from couple of entries and stuff like that. And after please to go again. Anyways, it's another day to try again, right? I have PE inside, I have GG inside, I have USGT on the side, I have GPGS inside. I don't know anyone that will never decide to do the mistake should do, I will take until then. You understand? We're not chasing nothing, we're not chasing nothing, we're just going to follow our dreams.
So basically, we're not really doing too much today in the market. I was not able to record yesterday's P and L because sorry, Monday's P and L, because I was not, I wasn't really given the chance to. I've not really had time since I started this whole job thing, right? So basically, I'm just recording myself before I execute trades, while I execute trades and all that. But anyways, that's all. Uh, That's what I'm looking out for. I'm going to explain what I'm looking out for in the market today. Today is Wednesday, right? I don't know if I'll be able to record again my piano today because I don't really have the time and stuff like that. But my setup and what I'm looking forward in the market to see, I'm going to record all that. As for my account is not really blown. It's still there, very much alive. Understand? So, but I'm in drawdown. So I'm going to revive it. This account is not supposed to be difficult to pass. I've just been letting myself be playing in this pool of indiscipline, revenge trading, over trading, and it's not really good. It's not really good for me. So, anyways, you guys check out my entry for today or my setups for today.
USDG price, maybe price don't get to this level. I'm not too sure. Or if it starts to buy from here, but there's like a gap that's not been filled at this point. Then on UUSD, it's quite confusing how UUSD is going lately though. It just pushed. Although I know where the push is coming from, it's from here, and I cut, the move here. But I expect that to reverse to this one, either this one or this particular zone, because that's what we have a recent breakout for our time frame. Exactly. So any one of these zones here or this one is what price continues to be. If this zone has my liquidity, but I'm not trading the dead news today. Then in GPU, GPG for the past God knows how long. So good now. Okay. Okay, so basically I think price to return to this zone. So that was someone, my boss's daughter. Anyways, I expect price to return down to this particular zone, right? Because this is where we have more recent breakout has not really been taken out. We've been at this particular ranging zone for the past God knows how long. Since when December 22nd, we've been like this. And so price to finally tap it, finally tap this and reject offer to give us buys. I think we are like I think what I'm betting on the most is this GPG coin because it makes the most sense to me. Alright. GPUSD. Okay, so the thing about the GPUSD right now is I won't say it's confusing per se because I mean if you look at it clearly you get to see that price already has broken this level, came, tapped it and rejected off it has been pushed into the upside. Right. But while it did that here, there are zones it didn't really take out. More like liquidity points it didn't take out. I had my entry here placed at this point. This was my recent breakout on 4 hours and frame. But price did nothing about it. There was liquidity around here. If you go to the 1 hour and frame, you can see it there. There was liquidity right here. The price did not come to take it out. So it's been on that zone for the past God knows how long. It's been since Monday, and today's Wednesday, right? Today's Wednesday. So yeah, this was the zone I was expecting price to get to. Tap the zone and give me, but it left me here. So I'm thinking of counter trading. It's not really my thing. It's not something I really do. It's not even something I advise anybody to do. But look at it very well, right? There's the possibility of this playing out. Because if you check it very well, on the 4 hours time frame, one reason that I'm convinced that it's probably a counter trend is because this, some people call it an order block and a coffee can whatever it may be, it's a boost for price going down with this liquidity right here. If you check the 30 minutes, you get to see an liquidity. See this is specifically my entry because this is the left shoulder. In other words, no, this is the inverted head and shoulders kind of, right? So price will tap the zone and dump to the downside. So this is the liquidity point right here. So it's like selling to buy, right? So I'm just gonna send this to my signal, my group anyway. But yeah, that's what I'm basically looking out for today on the market. Alright, I did not bring my other phone to work, so I can't really be able to record my P&L after this execution is met. But I will send it, like I'll show the result of it today or later on. Right, my account is still there, it's alive, or it's in drawdown. It's in drawdown. Anyways, see you guys in the next one.
So guys, as you can see, I'm about to, I don't know, I'm in loss of the trade. I executed it, and yeah, it's going against me currently. Alright, if this trade should go ahead and hit L, that'll be under minus 4,000. Anyway, that's the update on the trade. I just wanted to show you guys the update. This is the only trade I don't think I'm going to execute any other one because I don't really see any other one to be executed. So this is the only thing I'm going with for today. Yeah, I'll give you guys another update when it gets completely done or something. Until then, yeah, see you guys later. Like yesterday, so I wasn't able to record yesterday again why I executed my trades here. I was like, okay, I think I did I don't know, but I know I have my bias down to explain for you guys. You would not believe what the fuck happened. So I had my setup, it was going against me, but this page later went in my direction. It actually went in my direction eventually. Later went in my direction. I'm going to show you guys real quick.
See here, hold on, I'm back log into sorry. Wow. Look at what you did to me. Sorry, so GPUs here. I told you guys I had the buy and the sell. So this was the buy that I was waiting for. Price to target to come out happy. And I was telling you, I was waiting for one thing. I was waiting for price to give me a sell position. And as of the video I sent it like I made to you yesterday, which was Wednesday, price was about to take me out. Took me out and into my direction. Smashed my and it's never here smashed, it's smashed here. Smashed my take profit here from the news. I imagine. But anyways, it did tap my buy position though. It tapped my buy position, making it a very strong one. So all I have to wait for today is simple. I'll just wait for a 4 hours breakout. If I can get a 4 hours breakout, I have a sweep of liquidity that has come already. That's the sweep of liquidity right here. So all I need now is a 4 hours breakout on this level with this level. There's a sweep of liquidity. So if I get a breakout on this level, then I can fill this market. We have GPGPY2, which has finally tapped the zone I've been waiting for days for. Has finally tapped this A shape, filled up this gap and stuff, so it's clean. All I have to do is wait for a 4 hours breakout on this level, and then we're good to go. And USD has finally come and then tapped the more recent 4 hour time frame. So it broke this level, and just like I've told you, we have a support liquidity and book of market and the higher time frame, go to lower time frame for more recent breakout, which is this. Price give us a more recent breakout at this level, and there's a gap it filled and tapped into it and even rejected. That's what we had yesterday. So today we want to see a breakout of this level and then we're going to go. Here's the GPY on the daily time frame too. We're going to see that price rejected off this particular V-shape level. Let's see. Check it. Yeah, off this V-shape level right here. Off this V-shape level. So we want to see a 4 hours breakout. Then we're going to go. see, before ours break out. So that's what we're waiting for today. There's no possible liquidity that will put it in super liquidity on this level. Yeah. So if we can get a breakout here, then we're going to go to look for more buys. So that is all we're looking out for. Anyone that shows itself first, then for the one I trust the most, I think GPUSD is one of them I trust. I trust GPUSD, I trust GPGPY. Yeah, I trust GPGPY. Euro USD, there's a possibility of even it dumping even more. So to these levels, they feel them because that's the beauty of the video. So there's that, makes it less trustworthy. USD JPY, I'm determining it strongly off the fact that GPGPY, I'm seeing GPY is from GPGPY, and I'm seeing the correlation here. But if you check it very well, you see that there's a gap somewhere here that has not been filled. This level on the daily time frame, this level hasn't been filled. Understand? So there's any possibility that what we're looking forward to what maybe a little buy momentum to itself. Understand? So it's just GPUSD and GPGPY that I have no default because it's just a very good bias. I'm looking for buys to take out this high. So if I'm going to look for my buy, probably this will be my TP. So maybe looking at my take profit or something. So alright, that is all I have for today. Yeah.
Setup is looking really good. That's what I'm anticipating. Yesterday I executed that trade and it took me out, and I tried my best to stay along with my risk management plan. So for today, I'm just halting. I don't want to do more than what I'm supposed to. If I'm not going to do more than that. Anyways, if anything comes up, I execute any trade, I'll try my best to record. If I can't record, then next time you see me is tomorrow, Friday. It's currently no profit. I want to quickly show you guys before my boss comes back, and I have a re-entry too. He's staring at me. My boss does not like when I trade at work. He does not like. He asked me to do it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Then I'm gonna head back to work. Alright, so guys, this is it. Here it is. So it's currently profit now. I'm expecting price to reverse to this level, then return to the upside. Certain price will return down to this other level for the second entry that I have. But as far as this one is concerned, let's move it upside. Don't let it fool you. It's actually, this is 5RR and this is 6RR. I might not even hold it to that long to get my profit out. This particular trade is going to get me my accounts back. And this one is going to pass the account of one trade. So price took me out of my setup yesterday. Good morning, by the way. This is Friday. Price took me out of my setup yesterday, right? I don't know, there was just something wrong about price action yesterday. It was looking too bizarre. Hold on, let me see if I can actually like go for video. I don't know if I'm going to be taking any trades today. Actually, it's not looking like price is not really looking like it. Anyways, my account is back. Like when I mean it's back, as in draw down. It's actually really far. I can't make a video right now to explain or screen record to explain what exactly is going on or what I'm looking forward in the charts. I don't know if I will trade today, but if I do, I'm gonna let you guys know through my P&Ls and stuff like that. Yeah. Today I think I'll be able to record my P&Ls if I should get home. I'll record it. I'm thinking I'll record it. But if I'm not able to, I don't know, the account update is gonna be there. Shit, today is the last day, right? Today is Friday. Okay. Anyways, I just got taken out of one of the trades I executed yesterday. I executed GPUSD and EURUSD, right? And yeah, it's that way. Today, I feel like if I should execute, I'm going to execute GBP/JPY. Yeah, I'm probably going to execute GBP/JPY. That's one thing I know I'm looking out for. If GBP/JPY does right by me, then why not? I'll execute that. But if it doesn't, then I don't know. I'm just going to look out for whatever it presents. Alright. But as of yesterday, let me show you guys. As you can see, I executed a trade here yesterday and it's currently in profit. I don't know if y'all can see it. Hold on. Bro. Well, anyways, I believe you can see. I executed a trade yesterday and it's currently in profit to the upside. I'm waiting for price to break this high right here, particular high, as you may see. I'm waiting for price to break this high, and if it does, then yeah, bam, we'll have a very solid. They have a very solid entry. but I did not execute this trade. Like, did I say executed it? I did not. I set it. Yeah, I was going to take the confirmation, but price did not return back to where I wanted it to return for me to take the confirmation. So I'm waiting for price to break this high. If it does, then why not? I'm going to run it. I'm going to run it today. If that's the only thing I do today, then sure. Aside that, every other trade got stopped out. Every other one. GBP USD, EUR USD. Anyway, I see you guys on the next on Monday, right? Oh shit, today is Friday. Okay, if this is my last video for the day, right? See you guys on Monday. Please like and subscribe. But if this is not my last video, that I have another video I'm gonna add to it, then still like and subscribe, guys. Alright, so this is possibly last time you see me till episode 4.